Pakistan's powerful intelligence agency ISI is among the most active intelligence enterprise and covert direct action forces in the world. ISI employs specialized skills to engage in intelligence operations conducted in intensely contested and complex environments. ISI is operationally responsible for providing situational awareness on national security. Inter-service intelligence ensures information warfare dominance for SSG, SSW, and SSGN, which delivers battle success. ISI uses applied intelligence to forecast and simulate operations, including capability assessment of adversaries in the battlefield. Intelligence assets available to provide support